How to fix a TikTok story option not showing fix TikTok post to story option. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, you have to make sure your TikTok application is updated. So head over to your Play Store, then search for TikTok. Tap onto TikTok. If your application shows update, tap on update. If not, leave that as it is. Then open your settings. In here, scroll below onto apps option. And then again, search for TikTok. Tap onto TikTok. Then move on to storage. Here, clear the cache. Come back. Then here under defaults, tap on set as default and tap on this button that says open supported links. Once done, tap on to force stop on your bottom right corner, then tap OK. Now restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then launch your TikTok application. Get logged into your TikTok account, then tap onto your profile on your bottom right corner. Once done, you will see a 3-bar icon here. Tap it, tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below, tap on report a problem. Tap on account and profile, then tap on profile page. Under here, tap on to other, then tap on no. Tap on need more help. And just like so, you can go ahead and type in your problem and have a live support with TikTok help desk. Just like so, this is how you can solve your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.